Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use vMix to stream your live content with VdoCipher. Let's begin by launching the vMix application. Once the vMix application is open, we will start by adding our first input. To do this, go to the Add Input button at the bottom left. You will see a list of different input types: camera, video, images, and more. We will start by using video and text as input. To add a video, select video and then choose any video from your device and finally clicking OK. In the same way, you can also add text. For the same, you need to click on the Title tab and then you can select Text Positioning option from multiple templates and finally clicking OK. You can also customize the text. For your text to show up, you will need to click on the Numbers button so that it displays as an overlay. Now, let's see how we can do a screen capture. This is useful when you want to display multiple apps and your entire screen activity in your stream. For the same, you need to go to NDI/desktop capture option and choose the local capture option. From there, you can select all the applications you want to display and click on OK. This will start capturing your screen. Just as you selected for the text, you can select the 3 options for the additional overlay of this duplicated screen. You can also adjust the positioning and size of this capture. In this way, you can see that your whole screen is getting captured, and that's it. Now let us understand how you can use vMix's built-in stream setting to stream directly to VdoCipher platform. First, go to the VdoCipher dashboard and select a Live Stream tab. Then create a new live stream. You can name a sample stream. Now it will take some time for the stream to get active. Once the stream gets active, it will display the stream key and server URL. Once the server URL and stream key gets available, you need to copy them and go to the Stream Setting tab in vMix and place the URL with the copied one and similarly the key. Now you can start the stream, and you can also check by going to the Preview tab in your VdoCipher dashboard. VdoCipher provides simple embed code that you can place on any platform to display the live video. Once your stream is finished, the recorded version will be available in the VdoCipher dashboard and encrypted and ready for replay and distribution. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.